Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to evolve Sasuke Anime Vanguard. Only way. Start by opening your card inventory and selecting the exact Sasuke variant you plan to evolve. Next, verify you have the required evolution materials and sufficient currency to complete the process. Make sure to free 2 deck slots and back up any builds that rely on the current card state before committing to evolution. Gather the needed items first to prevent mistakes and wasted time while evolving Sasuke. Inspect the card tooltip for exact shard counts, upgrade stones, and any form-specific tokens needed for only way evolution. Plan any event farming runs and check daily missions for rewards that grant those items. If buying from the shop, prioritize bundles offering bonus shards to reduce overall cost and speed up the process. When you begin the evolution sequence, double-check every confirmation prompt before consuming materials. The process will lock those items instantly, so verify totals on the confirmation screen and confirm the target is the correct Sasuke variant. After evolution completes, review new stats, skills, and any passive changes to your deck synergy. Adjust your setup and test the evolved Sasuke in a practice match to confirm behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.